Good evening. This is Dr. Kenan Collects. I wanted to make a video about a really cool pickup I just got on Amazon. Subtotal of $5.58. Okay. McFarlane Toys, right? Gold label, Diablo 4, a couple characters. Okay. So they're really, let me see if I can get this open. So these sets are really cool. As you can see, okay. And they come with some special weapons so you can create some pretty cool scenes. So let's see. One of the weapons I got some sort of scythe looking thing. Got a pretty sweet axe. There you go. So all that on Amazon for $5.58. And now I can add it to my collection. I have this Diablo collectible. And again, these are all Blizzard games. As you can see, I'm wearing my Hearthstone hat, which is another Blizzard game. I grew up playing Blizzard games, okay? I'm telling you, I started off with Warcraft 2, okay? And then I kind of went back and played Warcraft. Warcraft 3 was just amazing. StarCraft, I played it when it came out. Amazing. StarCraft 2, Diablo 2, Diablo 3. I actually haven't had a chance to play Diablo 4, but I'm sure it's amazing. And of don't forget World of Warcraft. So I have a couple of those figures too from McFarlane Toys. Okay, so that's the Paladin. I always played the Paladin and the Priest. Okay, so McFarlane has some pretty awesome Blizzard collectibles. Okay, and then these aren't McFarlane Toys, but just to show you the depth of my Blizzard collection. So here's the Lich King. It's pretty cool, huh? So so there's a Lich King, right? So there you go, Warcraft, and then Jim Raynor from StarCraft. Okay. There you go. I believe his group is called like Heaven's Devils or something like that. And then Tyrael from Diablo. So these ones aren't McFarlane, but the other ones are. I just wanted to let you know about that great deal. Definitely search Amazon, search the McFarland store or any other fandom you like. Just be on the lookout for epic deals because I'll tell you what, I just showed you a small fraction of these type of toys that I have, and I have shelves in my office. I'll have to maybe get my phone out, make some videos, but trust me, I'm gonna create like a scene from like an epic battle scene from like Diablo and World of Warcraft, right? So if you've ever played those games, you know what I'm talking about. It's pretty epic. And yeah. So that was me just nerding out a little bit. Wherever you are, I hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening. God bless. Take care and goodbye.